Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I just want to show a quick tour of the garage here. Yeah, this is basically where the magic happens. Yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, so I just wanted to give you a quick tour here of my Ferrari inspired garage here. And yeah, I think we should just start at the beginning here at the entrance, which is where I have my coat hanger, which was manufactured from a gear which was cut in half. And then a lot of spark plugs here was meant for the coat hanger. So that got welded on, and we have some Ferrari logo up here. And it's a brick wall on this side, and this is where I have all my tools. I have a removable toolbox as well, and just a bunch of different junk down here. And a lot of junk over here as well. I need to sort that out somehow. And yeah, I have a few projects here where I'm making some, you know, like a wheel table from a tire, or from like a wheel. It's like 20-inch rims. I have them over here. Yeah, so I'm gonna upload something about that as well. I just have it's a little bit of a mess at the moment. I have a speaker system. Something else needs to be done. I also have speakers up here. This iPad is ancient. It doesn't really work. I'm thinking about mounting a speaker up there, but yeah, and of course I have the heat and cooling here, and for now it's not really needed because it's about 20 degrees outside, but it will come at a later stage. I also have some battery chargers on the wall here. Got like a small vacuum for the car. It's very nice and handy. Got a Monza plate here, which is yeah, the Monster track from Formula 1. And yeah, I have a small area here that I'm thinking about changing a bit. I'm thinking about adding a Need for Speed Underground 2 here with a PlayStation 2 instead, and then a TV. But let's see what happens. I have a small Ferrari closet here for. I think it also has LED, but I think it's worn out of power. But it has. It's just for like a champagne holder or something. Yeah, and I have yeah, some Schumacher pictures here. I have a lot of different memorabilia here, like you know, these steel it's actually from cast iron, these logos here. They are quite nice. So yeah, and I have a bunch of different cars. Some of the cars I've owned previously, like this F30, this Z4, or at least a Z4 in that color I have owned. These Ferraris, of course, I haven't owned. This is a Lego model, and yeah, I'm not really sure what model this is. Looks like a Testarossa. And yeah, I just have a bunch of different stuff, some old logos, gear knob, and a lot of different model cars, and some stuff I have been making, like from my last, or from my, I used to be an industrial technician, so I have some steel that I have made from there. Obviously I have 2 jack stands here if I need to change the oil. Otherwise this is just a chill out area for friends and family. And I have like the Modena sign here, you know, Ferrari themed. And I have some pictures from some track day as well, and a helmet from the track day. Yeah, otherwise this closet over here is more of the same. You have the logo up here, another Ferrari, and then we just go down. And I have some stuff that I have been manufacturing as well. A lot of cool toy cars from Ferrari in yellow and red. And that's the same down here. And I have like an oil barrel from Shell, which is going right at the theme here. We also have some pit stop here from Formula 1. And I'll just, I have like a small Porsche 911 6-cylinder engine here, which you can hear. It's just like a small mock-up. It's pretty cool. You see the cylinders working here. Yeah, it's actually quite fun. It was also pretty funny to assemble this. Anyways, we also have a small logo here, and some bags from Ferrari as well. Yeah, just a bunch of different memorabilia again from Formula 1 and Shell and whatnot. We have some down here as well. We have some oil. Actually, this was the owner's hat that had the Z4 previously. He's a race driver. So, yeah, he's John Nilsson, if you know him. They used to call him Super John. Yeah, I don't remember if it was, I think it was Formula 1 he won. Or was it Le Mans? Maybe it was. I think it was actually Le Mans he won. And yeah, here we also have some Formula 1 pictures. These were the wheels I was talking about that I'm gonna make into some tables. I already have made 2 into tables, and I have one of them inside. Some high pressure washer and oil filter. Over here we have, you know, just like a small fridge for beers, and we have a small Underberg truck, Underberg as we call it. Gaven til maven, we call it in Danish. Yeah, I have a small Ferrari flag here, and then I have like, of course you know the centerpiece of my garage is my BMW Z4, which I absolutely love. I don't have plates on it at the moment because I've been driving like 6,000 kilometers this summer, and yeah, I kind of need a break. I'll put them back on if it's necessary later to get some fresh air. Also really love this model. I have plenty of videos about this car, and yeah, you can go check them out on my channel. I will of course be uploading some more. Over here we have, I have actually just prepped it for some winter storage as well. I have like the CTEK charger here, which is plugged up directly to the battery, so the battery doesn't run flat. Yeah, and I put in some extra tire pressure just to make sure the wheels don't go flat. And of course I filled up the tank completely, so I avoid extra moisture in there. And this closet is actually also something, it's from a cheap, you know, it's actually from a cheap place, but I just painted it myself with some spray paint, and I think it's easier to see from this other side. With some spray paint, and I added some Ferrari logos just to match this Ferrari theme that I got going on. Here we have some, you know, just some different all kind of products, engine cleaner, everything you need to keep the car clean and tidy. Down here I just have some sprinkler fluid, and this closet is just yeah, also just a bunch of different cleaning stuff, you know, some for the soft top, and some wax, and chrome polish, everything a man needs to clean his car. Over here we have another corner, which is just like a chill out corner, and we have some, you know, I think it's Charles Leclerc, one of them, and Carlos Sainz, and yeah, just some cool pictures here. I think it's easier to show you from this side actually. Yeah, so you can just chill out and enjoy a glass of wine. Yeah, just have some car wash stuff that needs to be sorted out as well. Yeah, otherwise very nice. I really like the wood here. I made like an extra shelf for it. Yeah, it needs a bit of dusting off, that one. Yeah, but it's a very nice corner as well. Here I have like, of course we have some air pressure up here. It's not providing a whole lot of pressure, but it's enough just to clean some stuff. And of course I have like a temperature or ice cold beer with some humidity. This one just fell on the floor yesterday, so that was not so good. But this one says 20 degrees, which is perfect. And this one is actually just like it's an old moped engine from a Puch Maxi, which I'm just using it as like a towel hanger on this one to wash your hands, but I didn't bring out a towel yet. So yeah, and here I have made like a hand wash station, integrated into this oil drum, which is a pretty cool feature, if I should say so myself. I really enjoy it. And this one was also originally made for having like a soap in, but it's just completely corroded, so it don't really work. So yeah, now it's just for the aesthetics of it. Yeah, otherwise I don't have too much else to say, but I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned to my channel. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like my videos. See you next time.